Plants are absolutely fascinating when you're paying attention to them. So this tree, this small tree, came in this little pot, and it was fine. It grew up straight and didn't have any like dying leaves or anything. But it just didn't really grow. It didn't spread out. So now that it's in this new pot, which with much more width and soil to grow, it's starting to branch out, to widen. It understands it has an environment. It's in an environment that is conducive to its expansion, its growth. Plants are indeed alive. Indeed.